So we found the problem. Took the drain elbow. This is the trap that we tried to clear, which was pretty empty except for a couple sticks. I noticed that the error code would come on after about 4 minutes of run time, like the drain pump was running. So I pulled that out, and I'm not sure if you can see, but the impeller drive shaft is broken. So the motor shaft has broken, and that's why the drain motor would run for 4 minutes, and then it would set that clog code because it just wasn't emptying because it wasn't moving any water. So I guess we need a new drain motor. So we got this other drainage pump, and I think it's the same. The housing for the trap is different, so we're going to use the old trap. I'm going to unbolt this from the new housing and put it onto the old housing and see if we got her fixed. This is $50 off Amazon, so. Oh baby, winner winner chicken dinner. Hear that draining? Tickety boo.